Hello everyone, welcome back to Abena'sKitchen. In this video, I'll show you how I make Momone, the Ghanaian fermented fish, aka bonde. I'll go ahead and cut my fish into pieces. I'm using mackerel fish. First of all, I want to state that I've been looking at Momone tutorials on YouTube for some time now, but two tutorials caught my eye. One was from Abena'sKitchen and the other one was from Kendall Cooking Channel. With Abena'sKitchen, she decomposed her fish for about 2 weeks and then add her salt. But Kendall goes ahead and add her salt straight away. And then she'll leave it for 3 to 5 days and her momoni will be done. I decided to combine these two methods because Imelda's method alone wouldn't work for me because I've not got any storage outside of my home to decompose the fish. So here comes my method. I'm going to decompose the fish in a container inside my kitchen for 3 to 4 days. This is the container I use when making tolo beef or precontre salted pig feet. The first day I recorded this was on a Saturday. I'm going to cover it and decompose till the next Tuesday. Depends on how you count your days. If you start counting from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday to be 4 days. If you start counting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday to be 3 days. Here I doubled the container, but you can wrap yours in a plastic bag. Today is Tuesday and this is how our fish is looking like. I'm going to transfer it into a clean container and trust me, the smell is like momone. Imagine if I decomposed for 2 weeks inside my kitchen. Please make sure you wear gloves when making this. So here comes Kendall's method. Kendall added salt straight away, but then she added just a little salt. Tried making momone somewhere last year summer, but then I added a lot of salt to the fish and that resulted in a cured fish and not a fermented one. It became so hard and it was similar to Kobe. So I'm adding just a little bit of salt. For the amount of fish that I'm using, I added about a tablespoon of salt, almost a tablespoon of salt. I'm going to cover it and leave it for another 4 to 5 days. This is the next Saturday. I started on a Saturday and I'm ending on the next Saturday. This is how our momone is looking like. Trust me, the smell is exactly like Ghana momone. Same, I want to say Ghana momone pepe. I'm going to transfer mine into a plastic bag and then freeze them. I recommend drying this up a little bit in the sun or in your oven at the lowest temperature for about 5 minutes so that they wouldn't stick together when you freeze them. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.